In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online reading email. This method works worldwide. Anyone can do it as long as you have internet and a laptop and a PayPal address to get paid for that. You can get paid around $15 per day as a minimum threshold value for this website, and easily you can make this money every single day. The basic idea is you get paid to read email. There's other ways that you can make money on this website by surveys, shopping online, and doing completing offers, something like that. But the main part, you can earn money by reading email. Also watch this video until the end, because there's a certain setting that you need to set it up inside this website in order to make money by reading email. Otherwise this won't work. So watch that video until the end. Before we get in the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, we make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. We upload one video every other day, so don't forget to subscribe and like our video. So you're gonna earn cash with paid to read email. Would you like to get paid reading paid email online? When you sign up for this website, you receive emails every single day in your inbox. When you open up and read that, you get paid for that. So basic process: sign up, read email and get paid. Why you have to join this website? Because you're gonna receive daily paid email. Daily, it's not in a week, it's daily, and you're gonna get quick payment within 24 hours, most cases instant payment. And the threshold value is $15. When you reach $15, you can withdraw that money. When you sign up this website, you're gonna get $3 bonuses added in your wallet, and you can take daily surveys and you can earn from 50 cents to $1 per surveys. And if you refer a friend, and you can earn money from that too. After you sign up the website, you need to consider 4 things. First, cash surveys, cash offers, earn points, and paid email. This is the important part, and earn points also important part, because if you want to earn money by reading email, these 2 things are very important. I will tell you why is that important. So first, cash surveys. If you open up this is the section for cash surveys. You can earn between 35 cents to $1 per surveys. You can see these are the surveys that are available at the moment, and if you go down here, there's a more surveys that you can join and do that. If you complete this section here, you can earn up to $3 to $4 from here within 20 to 30 minutes from cash surveys section here. And now other section is called cash offers, where you can complete offers and you can earn money by signing up for account, something like that, and you can earn money by doing that. Again, if you complete these offers here, you can earn between $3 to $4 instantly within 20 to 30 minutes. After that, this is the important part, is earn points. It's similar to the cash surveys, but inside here, this survey is provided by Peanut Lab, where you can earn points for that. Each survey pay different points. You can see this one 41, 54, 92, 10, but there's a couple of surveys are here. If you complete that, you can earn up to 200 to 300 points from here. I will tell you why this is important. And if you see this is your dashboard, you can show the cash balance here. Your available points will be here, and your emails should be here, and the referral commission on here. But if you open this one, it's the way you're gonna get you paid through that. You're gonna get paid through PayPal within 3 working days, but you're gonna get paid instantly. But this is standard protocol, and this is the important part. I will tell you why. And you can, if you have collected points, also you can withdraw that points using Amazon gift card. Or if you go down the bottom here, $1 cash is equal to 100 points. So if you have 300 points, you can convert that into $3 cash, and you can withdraw that into your PayPal balance. So how you can earn money by reading email? In order to unlock that particular offer, you need to have a certain points. So how you can earn points, like I said before, you're gonna go to the Peanut Lab or the earn points section here. You can earn points from that. You're gonna use that point to unlock this reward section. You can see you need to have at least 50 points to unlock that. Once you unlock that, you have to go to here and select your pay rate. You have to select the maximum one. I recommend that, and select the date where you want to receive the emails, and click save the change. When you have enough points, which is a minimum is 50 and a maximum is, I think, is 100, When you have that enough points, you can use that points to get emails. When you open that email, you get paid 10 cents for that. This is how it's gonna work, guys. So you need to have a points in order to earn money by reading email. So you can earn that points from Peanut Lab here, and you can use that money points to unlock email section here, and you can earn money by reading emails. So if you want to learn more about that, if you want to understand that, go to the FAQ question here. They put all the questions and answers here, so you can read and understand how this works. So the website which I'm talking about is called paytoreademail.com. paytoreademail.com, where you can earn money by reading email, you can earn money by completing surveys, you can earn money by completing offers, and you can earn money by referring friends. So you can earn up $15 within 1 to 2 hours. So if you can withdraw that $15 every single day using PayPal, you're gonna get that instant payment in your bank account, guys. So this is a simple website. Again, this is a website to earn side income, not a passive income or not a full-time income. So if you really like our videos, guys, again, subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Also, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, free PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I like this video and put your PayPal address. I pick a winner when this video got 100 likes. Until that, see you in next video, guys.